This is my Koblenz Endurance. I got it. It's pretty much brand new. I think it was used like once or twice as a demo. I only paid $100 for it, so I got a really good deal. It's got continuous height adjustment, 7 amps. It's lightly based off of Eureka. It's got a chevron brush roll, and the bristles are really soft. Once you lift this little metal piece off, the fan cover and the base plate comes off. It uses an F&G bag, and Koblenz has its own motor. It's not the same as a Eureka, and it's all metal construction like it says. The base and the hood is all metal, and the handle. And it's almost like a Singer. It turns on when you release the handle. It has a 35-foot grounded cord, and it just unplugs right here at the base, so if you run it over you can just go somewhere and replace it with an extension cord. It's a pretty good vacuum. I like it.